Look how crazy he got pinched. That was really, really bad. And since 85, it's very corrosive. It gets pretty dirty around right here. I don't know if you can see it too, but right here too. All this got dry rotted. All that has to be replaced. Thankfully I have all the parts. I went ahead to replace. Just not all of them need replacement. So I'm replacing this one, and this one right here. So I'm replacing just those. Because the bottom O-rings, they look fine. Not a single crack. They still look new. So I'm just replacing pretty much these three. That's it. They're all ready to go in now. They're all clean. Cleaned out the tips. New O-rings. These are the seats pretty much where they sit. This one sits right outside of the manifold, and this one sits right in between the fuel rail and the injector. This one goes inside. This is a seal. I'll go ahead and show you my setup. Pretty much is just an OEM AP2 F22C1 fuel rail. I just went ahead and tapped in to the rail just so I could add my fuel pressure gauge. This is a Radium Engineering. Honestly, it's really good. It reads up to 100 psi. Right now I have it set up to 50, between 50 to 55 psi. And then I also have a AEM 320 E85 compatible fuel pump. So that's pretty much all I have for my fuel system. Pretty simple setup. The injector seals all ready to go. Time to install them. I'm not gonna record me putting them on. It's literally the same thing as taking them off, just in reverse. I'll go ahead and show you guys once it's done. Now for the moment of truth, let's see if it doesn't leak. Hopefully it doesn't. Everything's tight. Let's see how it goes. Everything is on. Fuel pump is at around 62 psi right now. Since it's not running, making sure I have no leaks. Everything seems fine. No leaks anywhere. Sounds good. No leaks there. Looks pretty good. There's cylinder number 2 is good. 3 is good. Now, time to crank her up. Oh yeah, boys, she's alive. So, pressure's at 50 PSI right now. Pretty good, no leaks, sounds healthy. Not bad for E85 and sitting there all day. I mean, it is like 80-degree weather right now. But she's good. She starts cranked up just fine. I almost forgot. I'm gonna throw this in there too. I don't know if it works. It's injector cleaner, so hopefully cleans up all that gunk. Has a bunch of gunk. I know the car's still on, but nothing happens. Should be good. Throw it all in there, boys. Chug chug. Just like that. Should be ready to go. That idle. Sounds perfect. Nice and healthy. Valves don't sound like they're chattering. Sounds like a little sewing machine. Get around here. The turbo. Sounds good. Now it's honestly time. I'm trying to get it retuned, trying to make more power. Hopefully 450, 500 should be good. That's all I want. Should be fine. That way I can run with the big boys. Should be fun, honestly. So next time, peace.